First, click on the DMG file that has been downloaded. And now click on the PKG file. And just follow the prompt. Click Continue, Continue, and Install. Continue installation. And here you may have to enter your Mac password. Click Open Security Preferences. Click the lock on the bottom left. Enter your password one more time. And allow Magic Control technology to control your laptop. Now here it may take 1 to 2 minutes to finish running the scripts. And once it is finished, you may have to restart your laptop. Now once your laptop restarts, first connect the display to your laptop. Then wait a few seconds and a prompt should show up. Hit Open System Preferences. Make sure you check DJT Virtual Display Agent. Unplug your monitor. Close your security and privacy. And plug in your monitor one more time. It should restart right away. The monitor should start up.